Now we have to move with the another benzofused heterocyclic moiety, six-member heterocyclic moiety. We have to study here in this sessions. Here, the content of today's session, we have to discuss another heterocyclic moiety. This is benzofused six-member containing pyridine ring, that is called as isoquinolines. Before these sessions, we have to discuss with this quinoline, pyridine with benzo. There is a one number positions, here nitrogen atoms, here second positions. That's why it is called as isoquinoline heterocyclic moiety. We have to discuss here the properties of isoquinolines along with preparation reactions or synthesis of isoquinolines, some chemical reactions, near about 4 to 5 chemical reactions we have to discuss here, and isoquinoline containing some medicinal drugs and their usage we have to discuss here. Firstly, we have to discuss the properties of isoquinolines. First, basic property, aromaticity of isoquinoline. Isoquinoline is aromatic in nature. The criteria of aromaticity, the compound should be cyclic in nature, alternate single double bonds. You have to see the structures. Alternate single double bonds. You have to observe in the structure. Cyclic in nature, alternate single double bonds, and it having 10 delocalized electrons, similar to quinoline. Quinoline also having 10 delocalized electrons. 9 from the carbon atoms present in the isoquinoline structures, and 1 from the nitrogen atoms. And nitrogen, which is present in this isoquinolines, having unshared electron in nitrogen atoms. So total 10 delocalized electron, which passes the Huckel-Stokes. Huckel-Stokes, what is 4n into 2 is equal to 5 electrons. If we have to put n is equal to 2, that is 4 into 2 plus 2, that is total 10 pi electrons. If any systems having 10 pi electron present in the rings, cyclic in nature, alternate single double bond, those moieties undergo aromatic in nature. So isoquinoline is aromatic in nature. Similarly, like that, quinoline. Quinoline also aromatic in nature. The atoms present in the isoquinolines are sp2 hybridized and planar in nature. So the isoquinoline orbital picture is sp2 hybridized atoms present in the isoquinoline structures. Second property, isoquinolines are weak base, and third is they having capacity, isoquinoline having the capacity to make the hydrogen bondings from where the nitrogens having lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen atoms. These unpaired electron present on nitrogen atom, they involved in the hydrogen bonding. So this is another property, hydrogen bonding capability of isoquinoline due to the presence of unshared electron present on the nitrogen atoms. So these are the properties of isoquinoline. Isoquinoline is aromatic in nature. Isoquinoline is weak base and having the capability of hydrogen bondings. Now we have to move with the preparation reactions or synthesis of isoquinolines. First synthesis we have to discuss here is Bichler-Napersky isoquinoline synthesis. For this synthesis, it requires aryl ethanamides. That is two aryl ethanamides. This is one second position. This is first. Amine is a basic functional group. 1, 2 having ethanes, ethanamides. Two positions, aryl group is present. Two aryl ethanamides react with the acyl chloride. Reacting materials, they react and substitute COCH3 on nitrogen atoms and to make amide. This part is amide part of two aryl ethanamines reacted with acid chloride. Once the amide is formed, they react with the phosphorus pentasulfide and they undergo cyclizations. Followed by catalytic reductions in presence of palladiums and to make aromatic isoquinoline as a final product, a reduced product. This type of synthesis is called as Bichler-Napersky isoquinoline synthesis. Here, the two aryl are called as two phenyl ethanamines react with the acyl chloride to make the amide, followed by phosphorus pentoxide to form the dihydroisoquinolines. These dihydroisoquinolines undergo reductions and to make aromaticity of that cyclized product in the form of isoquinoline. This type of reactions you have to prepare for isoquinoline. Second method to prepare the isoquinoline is pictate GAMS synthesis. This is one of the modification of the earlier synthesis. In this modifications, instead of only aryl ethanamines, the two hydroxy substituted aryl ethanamines, they undergo treated with acyl chloride. Here, which acyl is used? Benzoyl chloride is used. Benzolation was carried out. Benzoyl substituted, followed by phosphorus oxychloride, treated with phosphorus oxychloride, and to form the 1-phenyl substituted isoquinolines. This is a modified version or modified reaction of Bichler-Napersky synthesis. Here, instead of two aryl ethanamines, they give the hydroxy substituted two aryl ethanamines. 2-hydroxy, 2-phenyl ethanamine is the starting material. They react with the benzyl chloride. Benzolation is carried out to make the amide, benzamide formations, followed by react with the phosphorus oxychloride to make cyclized isoquinoline, that is 1-phenyl isoquinoline was formed. That type of reactions are called as pictate GAMS synthesis. Third method for the preparation of isoquinoline is Pomer's-Fritz synthesis. This synthesis is occurred from benzaldehyde as a starting material. Benzaldehyde is react with 2,2-dialkyl ethylamines in presence of acids to form the isoquinolines. In this synthesis, the benzaldehyde react with the 2,2-dialkoxy ethylamines in presence of acid to make the isoquinoline by loss of water molecules and alcohol molecules and to make cyclized aromatic heterocyclic moiety, that is isoquinoline was prepared from Pomer's-Fritz synthesis. These are some synthetic reaction for quinolines. Now we have to move with the some chemical reactions of isoquinoline. First chemical reaction is electrophilic additions towards the nitrogen of isoquinoline. Means this positions, second positions of isoquinolines undergo electrophilic addition. First, due to the weak basic nature, this isoquinolines undergo protonations. This reaction is protonation reaction. There is a addition of protons towards nitrogen atoms and to make the isoquinazolium salt hydrochloride or called as isoquinoline hydrochloride was formed. There is an addition of proton towards the nitrogen atoms. Second is N-alkylation. There is substitution of alkyl group at N position where the nitrogen is present in isoquinolines. The isoquinolines undergo treated with alkyl halides. They form the N-methyl isoquinoline iodide. was formed as an electrophile addition product. This type of reaction is called as an alkylation process. Then N-acylation. There is acyl substitution on N positions. This is the acyl part substituted on nitrogen atom of isoquinoline. Isoquinolines undergo treated with acyl chloride. There is acyl substitution to form 2-acyl isoquinoline chloride was formed as a electrophile addition product. This is the first chemical reaction of isoquinoline. Now we have to move with the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of isoquinoline. That is called as ESAR, electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Generally, the electrophilic substitutions occur in benzene ring of isoquinolines at 5th and 8th position of the isoquinolines. We have to see with the nitration reaction. Isoquinolines undergo nitration with nitrating mixtures. It will form the mixture of 5-nitro isoquinolines and 8-nitro isoquinolines. Here the major product, near about 70 to 75% product was formed with 5 substituted isoquinolines, whereas 25 to 30% product was formed with 8-nitro isoquinolines. Another electrophilic substitution reaction, that is sulfonations. For sulfonation, sulfuric acid is used for the sulfonations. There is addition of sulfonyl group at 5th positions, and it will give the major product is isoquinoline 5-sulfonic acids. Another electrophilic substitution reaction is halogenations. Here for halogenations, here we have to give the bromination reactions. It will form 5-substituted isoquinoline, that is 5-bromo isoquinoline was formed. This electrophilic substitution reaction similarly occur in quinoline also at 5th and 8th position. Similarly, it will give the product of 5 and 8 substituted quinoline, as well as in quinoline 5 and 8 substituted quinoline was formed. In isoquinoline 5 and 8 isoquinoline was formed while it undergo electrophilic aromatic substitutions. Instead of pyridines, the benzenes undergo substitution of electrophiles in isoquinoline as well as in quinoline ring systems. Now move with the next chemical reaction is the reduction reactions. Reduction reaction of isoquinolines. Either they undergo reduction, it will convert either 1,2-dihydro, 1,2,3,4-dihydroisoquinolase or 5,6,7,8 tetrahydro isoquinoline was formed. Depend on the reacting materials, it will form the reduced product. Here, isoquinolines, we will go with the first reactions. Here, isoquinolines react with the aluminum hydride. As a reducing agent, it will addition of only 2 hydrogen atoms and to make the 1,2-dihydro isoquinoline. There is a addition of 1 hydrogen at this positions and 1 hydrogen with this nitrogen atom. That is 1,2-dihydro isoquinoline. Instead of aluminum hydride, it will use sodium metals in presence of ethanols, or in presence of platinum, the reduction is carried out, it will form the 1,2-tetrahydro isoquinoline. There is addition of hydrogen at 1 position, 2nd position, 3rd position, and 4th positions. There is formation of 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydro isoquinoline. Another reduction reactions in presence of platinum, but the concentrated hydrochloric acid is used, then the addition of hydrogen towards the benzene side of isoquinoline. And to make the 5, 6, 7, 8 tetrahydro isoquinoline was formed. These are the reduced product of isoquinoline. First, aluminum hydride is used. It will form 1,2-dihydro. If you use sodium or platinum, it will form the tetrahydro. Which tetrahydro? 1, 2, 3, 4 means addition of two H2 molecules on isoquinoline to form the 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydroquinoline isoquinoline. And in, with hydrochloric acids undergo reduction in presence of platinums, catalytic reductions, it will form 5, 6, 7, 8 position hydrogen substituted isoquinoline. That is tetrahydroisoquinolines. 5, 6, 7, 8 tetrahydroisoquinoline was formed. Now, next reaction is oxidation reactions. Isoquinolines undergo oxidation in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate. There is formation of phthalic acids and pyridine 3,4 dicarboxylic acid. That is mixture of phthalic acid and pyridine 3,4 dicarboxylic acid was formed. There is a breaking from this side as well as from this side, and to make the substitution of carboxylic acids. Another oxidation reactions in neutral potassium instead of alkaline, the neutral solution of potassium permanganate are used. It will form the phthalimide as a final product. This is one of the method to prepare the phthalimide from isoquinoline. Only potassium permanganate is used as an oxidizing agent. It will form the phthalimide from isoquinoline. And another reaction, last reactions of isoquinoline is nucleophilic substitution reactions. For nucleophilic substitution reaction, the Chichibi-Beans reactions was given here. Chichibi reaction, nothing but is a reaction of sodamide at higher temperature. Any compounds undergo react with the sodamide at higher temperature. That reaction is called as Chichibi-Bean reactions. Here, the isoquinolines undergo react with the sodamides at higher temperatures. There is formation of two. There is formation of one amino isophenolide. That is nucleophile substituted product. Nucleophile substituted at one positions, whereas in quinoline there is substitution at second positions in quinolines. In isoquinoline, one position, and in quinoline there is a second position. Nucleophilic substituted product was obtained. Now we have to move with the medicinal uses of isoquinoline containing heterocyclic moiety or heterocyclic drugs. Here, one of the best neuromuscular blocking agent, that is atracurium, is the examples. It having this drug having isoquinoline moiety, two isoquinoline moiety present in the structures, and it will produce neuromuscular blocking agents. Another examples of curine alkylate, doxacuramines, and mivacurines. Another example is papaverins, antispasmodic agents, which is used on smooth muscle, having isoquinoline is a heterocyclic moiety present in the structures, and it will produce antispasmodic activity. Now, another examples having isoquinoline, there's the isoquinoline moiety present in noscapine. This drug act as an antitussive. Antitussive, nothing but it's a cup suppressive agents. noscapines is the examples which having two heterocyclic moiety. Instead of two, one is isoquinoline, another one is benzofuran. This moiety is benzofuran is directly attached to the quinoline moiety at first positions, and to make the noscapine act as a anti-tissue drug. And these are the references which are used for the preparation of this material.